So quick tips for viral. If you are also suffering from viral infection, you can just try a few tips like lukewarm water instead of having the fridge water. Just keep your bottle outside, or have normal water, or just take lukewarm water. Lukewarm water will be more helpful. Steam is going to help, and ginger is also going to help you. So you can make like a kada out of it, like can add ginger and black pepper like 4-5, and add tulsi patta also. You may add giloy also to it, and make a glass of water. You can put it on a boil, and make sure that the water boiled is becoming half. Then you may